How to add shipping country on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add that. First open your browser and now click here settings and then scroll down until you find here shipping, or if you can't find it just type here shipping. And now once you're here, all you need to do just go to check out shipping options, and here we'll find the add shipping zone, and click add a country zone, and that's it. Select any country you want here, and then just click submit. And that's it. You can remove it if you want. Just click this X icon here, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.